Alright YouTube, back from the junkyard and Harbor Freight. Oh yeah, I got little storage containers so I could separate all my nuts and bolts. So obviously right now the light switch turns on the lights, parking lights, headlights, high beam, low beam, and does the blinker. So oh, and I'll turn the lights on too to show you. On these Nissans, I made this little quick connector just to see if I can get power to it. Obviously I can't right now. The lights are on, as you can see, and nothing. So, same thing as before. I am going to take this steering wheel apart, hopefully add my new switch, and hopefully it works and we should get power all the way around. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. Start off this montage. All right, I'm not gonna do a full time lapse for this. I just got this out. I wanted to show you guys something real quick. It's actually a known issue on these shifters. Not fixed under here before. Might go over that video again, but they're super simple to get these out. It's literally just a tab here and then a tab underneath, and the whole thing pops right out. So let's go ahead and got that old one. Let's go ahead and pop this new one in. Should just snap right in. Boom, click, click. And now it should just be as simple as putting the key in. I'm gonna start the truck because I'm gonna start the truck. Let's see if we got lights. Oh, we got lights. We got blinkers. Sweet. Let's get out and check the lights for sure. Oh, and high beam, low beam. All right. High beam, low beam's working. Left blinker's working. Right blinker's working. Alright, now here's the true test. The true test. That should have just turned on that lower bulb. Oh, and that is a no. That is a big no. Okay. Alright. I think it might just be the plug. Because see how it's like messed up? Pushed it through. Let's try this. Okay, that just completely pulled out. Completely pulled out. Alright, so let's see if we can make it work. Let's check and see. Let's check and see. Put a wire in there. Wire in there, nothing. Okay. Let's change the polarity real quick. Nothing. Nothing. I got nothing. I got nothing. Huh. video? Huh. I think it might have been a waste of a video, guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and wrap this dash back up. Everything else works, so at least it's not a complete loss as of right now. Go ahead and button this thing back up. Oh, looks good to me. All right, let's go out here and test this thing. Go ahead and test this thing. All right, guys, I figured it out. So, reading 0, right? Go in here, turn the lights on. Reading 0. Now, the reason it wasn't showing power or working earlier, I didn't think about this, is because the bright lights are on. Now the switch is off, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Turn the switch on. Brights are on. Okay. Walk back over here. Still reading 0. See that? 0. Now, walk over here. Turn that bright light off. Brights are off. What do you think that gauge is going to read? I think it's going to read 12 volts. Whoop. 12 volts. 12 volts. 12 volts. I'm going to wire it up just so I can show you that it works. And we'll go back to the original side. Alright. Let me wire up a bulb real quick. Alright. So I got it just plugged in there to that. Got it switched over. Turn the lights on. Oh, well, there's my light. She's a working. Sweet. So now, if I turn the brights are on, that light goes out. So now you know. Turn your bright lights on, your fog lights go out. Huh. Pretty cool. Well, this was a successful endeavor, guys. glad I could bring this content to you. Yeah, we'll end this video in the truck. Why not? So that's how she worked out. She worked out good. $20 part. Now I have fog lights. I just have to put lights in. If you guys like this video, you know the deal. Leave a like, leave a subscribe. Can you leave a subscribe? No. Leave a comment. Subscribed if you're not. Chances are you're not, because, you know, 97% of you guys aren't. All right. Later.